say challenge, Skyan.
Jazz.
Let's get
Said I'm so sick of love songs and so in love with you,
but I ain't messing with you now, so you can do what you do.
You tell me that you love me and put nobody above me. Then why the fuck would you go around and treat me like a dummy? You got me sitting here laughing and playing around. Got me thinking that your jokes was always fun to be around. Remember what Beyonce said, 1 + 1 = 2. But now 1 + 1 is not you. Boy, stop playing with me. You wanted me to be your baby, but I ain't worried about you now. That was all before. You can see I'm placing down.
You told me that you love me, and you told me that you kept that you would put no one above me, and you told me this ain't fair. You was always with your friends and never really your girl, but you really played me, thought it was us against the world.
You saying it's not true and telling me to trust you, but when you kissed that other girl, you told me it wasn't true.
See, I wonder what it's like to be treated right by a boy. So sick of getting hurt, my heart was played with like a toy.
Tired of dealing with some dumb shit, then put